right, we're going to talk about alerts in this video and how to set up alerts. I've noticed quite a few customers don't have any alerts set up, and while this customer certainly has quite a few, we feel like it's important to at least have a panic button alert or maybe overspeed, things like that. So I'm just going to walk through how to create an alert. So I'm going to say add an alert, and I'm going to call this panic button. And then I'm going to go to alert type, and this is an event alert. And I'm going to go and select panic button. You can see, I guess I'll go back here really quick. We have several different alerts. You can do after business hours. So if your customer is concerned that their drivers are using their work vehicle after when they're not supposed to be, you can set up an after hours alert. Event alerts, several geofence and landmark alerts, speed alerts, including like a max speed or over posted speed limit. So, and then we have a number of different alerts that fall under the events category. So you can see accelerate, alarm in, brake, idle, distracted driving, that's for only surf site cameras at this time, ignition on and off, if it goes offline, panic button, severe shock, shock and turn. So we're going to do panic button. That's pretty basic alert. If you select all fleets, that will automatically select all vehicles. Or you can go in here and you can assign a specific car. If you're like, oh, I'm just worried about this guy. So especially for like the after hours alert that I mentioned, if they had a specific truck or certain trucks that they were concerned that they could go ahead and set up this alert. And then to activate this, you would just move it to the other side. Whereas if you select all vehicles, it doesn't give you that option to move them because it automatically puts it for all vehicles. You do need to add a username. If you don't have a user email in here, then what's going to happen is only users who are on the alert are going to see it on their action board. We are working to change that so any user can see the alerts on the action board, but of course if there's no email address in there, then it's not going to go to anybody's email. Or you can have the option of selecting all users, so either way is fine. Defaults to be active here, so you shouldn't need to check that. But this, you could go back in and deactivate if it's not an alert that they want to use anymore. That's a pretty simple fix. Instead of deleting the whole alert, if you want to just turn it off for a little while. So I have it defaulted to go to email and action board, and then I'm just going to click save, and that's it. Pretty simple. As always, if you guys have questions about how to set up alerts, we are available to help you with that at any time, and just let us know.